for the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Before Medic, there was Sandy Jackson. Who is Sandy Jackson? Well, she was the former girlfriend of Dwight Gale, aka Navigator, aka White Knight, aka Hellboy, aka Y'all Clone Boss. You see, right, in case you missed the other videos, right, Navigator, right, Hellboy, the one call him. He was the manager for Medic. Him call and tell her this and meet up yesterday, go here, so she hasn't been seen since. But there's a pattern. This is how Sandy Jackson dropped in. All on the quote unquote. Bad man, done. Who thinks they can stay at jail and watch him, man. Let me help you know. All the federal road, you can't stop woman from giving eagle eye. If them want gateway. All the federal road. All the even I see him house. What do you think I could do it from jail? Come on, dummy. Sharpen up. If you get sent to prison for 25 years before parole like White Knight, me no know. Woman to think so woman go sit down. Right, and keep them legs closed for 25 years. That's a quarter century, my youth. A quarter century. If you believe that, then we have several unicorns to sell you. Right, the meat done seasoned up already. Right, just drop it in the aisle, good to go. Y'all Clone Boss, aka White Knight, hails from Clarendon. Right. You'd have heard him mention a few songs. You say, he must go she find him and him say she trail White Knight. Yeah, the same White Knight there. And you see how long the link can make. So I say, Sandy Jackson. She was White Knight girl. She was known in the streets as it's ride or die. Defend him 100%. Fight all woman for him. Well, you already. 87 in hide the man. Right. Woman will fight and stab up other woman for them. Right. Carlton can't even get a woman, right, to fight a banana tree for him. Right. That's the unfortunate reality. Right. Because them tell Carlton say, be sweet and caring and nice and gentle. And Carlton look. Him see say, aside if I get the girl in. People hear this and say, but YouTuber that shouldn't matter. It matter for some man. Yeah. People don't want to talk about it, but enough man go on certain way because them say it work. Enough man take on certain traits because them say it work, right, with the opposite gender. Let me say, ride or die for White Knight. Can't tell her nothing about, right, Hellboy. Cover up for him. Wash all him dirty clothes them. And by dirty I mean dirty, I mean blood. Typical kerosene activity. White Knight, right, responsible for several murders. Some of them, right, if I tell them about them on the thing say, right, a unicorn I try to sell them. Right. But one in particular, right, him look run out. That's a man by the name of Ron Walcott, who him and Big Youth killed in March 2010. Right after them brazenly killed the man. Acting on intel, police immediately go for the two of them. Big Youth, him end up dead. Then go for White Knight. When the team reached the premises, there was a brief standoff. Where you left him alone? Where you are trying to do? And start make whole heap of noise. Now, if you're a civilian, you fall for it because if you're here to say, oh my God, look what them wicked, you're there. But Right? If you know the streets really work, you know you're onto something here. More nice you make, is the closer you get, right, to the target. Right? And I mean, the police are stand up there. I'm not talking about police actually do something. Police are stand up there, and you hear, one bag of knives, you're like, yes, we're onto something here. Right? You see the JDF team are come, be nice, and not do nothing, you don't touch them, you don't fling no lick on them, scream on top of them price and go on the most way. The team knows, yes, we're onto something here. I look for white knight. Even though I deny say a white knight is because he quickly changed all the hairstyles and they give him a different hairstyle from the one them did a wear. When time he kill Ron Walker. Quick. Bring out the game. Let me say, make a bag of knives. After that don't work, things escalated. Man them find white knight. He realize say, things are get spooky. The man grab Sandy and use her like a human shield in the standoff with him and the police. And in a show when you see man grab somebody put him in front of him, one tit a man dey on one side and next man on the next side. That the man do, him beloved Sandy. Sandy will love him and defend him so much. The man take her a human shield. Human shield. Chaos ensued. Eventually, she get out of the way. Him and the police then. White Knight get shut up. Sandy, remember, earlier he used her like a human shield. Drop back in the middle. Beg the police and left him alone. Left him alone, see them dead already, left him alone. Her frantic screams and running up and down make it impossible for them to do anything more, I say. Because him they already get shot already and look like him dead. She do the whole Lord of Mercy thing, police carry him to hospital. Go pronounce him. Let me say. Lot of drama and chaos. While down at the hospital, the quote unquote dead man wake up. The White Knight that jump up, run go straight to a nurse to him now. Nurse all call him mad, everybody confused. Dead man get up back. White Knight survived. Partially because Sandy's actions distracted them now. And give White Knight enough time to either play dead or just remain unconscious. Let me say. I even have to go tell her if he actually knocked out unconscious from the gunshot them or he was conscious and a faking dead. Now, let me say because then they are busy I try to deal with Sandy, I guess nobody never have time to actually check to see if he been dead, I don't know. Or the man them don't know how to confirm if somebody is dead. When the story first dropped, many were questioning how the team make it get away. But here's the thing. Cockroach are dead. You ever try to kill a cockroach yet? Some of them tough. You step till you're weak, or your foot start at you when you look. Cockroach get up and walk off gone. Then cockroach there, come like Van Damme. So White Knight look like one of them cockroach there. Curious squash and twist your foot left, twist your foot right. Y'all do a 360 moonwalk. When you look, cockroach get up and fly up in the sky where you're on. You have to apologize to it. Then cockroach they hard for dead. When he was at the hospital, he even tell them his name Orlando Brown. Which is crazy because that's the name of the the youth from That's So Raven, the one like him, have mental issues. Well, it's like one like that. I don't know if he actually has mental issues or drugs or, but the one way. Right, we always have some strange things. Let's just say strange things and behave strange. Orlando Brown. That him telling him name. Look like he watched too much show. Right. So now White Knight in jail for Ron murder. About a year after the shooting. Sunday, I get a bag of thread. Should I get thread right through, but White Knight go USA Sunday have new man. Within a year, he was not pleased. Oh, she have new man. Suddenly, her knight of acidic armor decides say the woman who is a big part of the reason why she's still alive deserve to dead. Start make all kind of posts now on social media. She sending me a talk. It's the one up in your screen. 1st of April 2011. She said, and I quote, "Why men always try to control a woman's life? Is that fair?" End quote. No, Sandy. Don't say men. Right? Don't say why men. Say White Knight. Say acidic men. Right? Ladies, don't have to stop generalizing men. See me, don't like generalizing. Don't like when man generalize, you know. Right? You can't generalize. Only can pick the most acidic and monstrous of men. And then when time their acidity and monstrosity starts to affect you, you say men, don't say men. Right? That's not woke, right? That's sexist. Right? At least say some. Say some men. Next she says, and this is the 25th of April, 2011. We don't like people dictate other people's life. Let me see it up on your screen. A White Knight shut down. I know how much I hard. And I guess I should point out that he wasn't convicted yet, so it look like he thinks he might go back a road or something. You know. But he might try to control her legal life and behind bars. He was in jail at the time. About a week after this post, White Knight sent man to kill her after she gone to church. Church today. Get a call. She left church. Go meet somebody will call her. Program run. Man and kill her. That call out somebody and then make somebody kill her. I always think to myself, that case should be, when I see them struggle for make any kind of leave in them case, and I think to myself, then hold on. Just find out who call her. Or who call him. Or somebody call him and go outside and get shot and killed. Who call him? Because almost somebody will, the only person can call him and say, come here, and you go. That's somebody way, you know. So, check the number, man. Match back on. Anyway, I'm just a look at YouTube, I don't know. So, White Knight run the program. Killed by the same 87 she saved. The same 87 she defended many times. Literally fight for, protect, to the very last. Turn around and kill her at the first chance him get. Tragic end to an acidic love story. So now, White Knight, let me say, literally, over a decade later, still I try control the man from behind bars. And still, I cause harm to the woman them when I deal with from behind bars. Extraordinary stuff. Anyway, for the video end, that shooting of the official from the integrity committee, let's go talk about it. That's right there, so that I carry it to new levels now. I can't remember a similar case. Right. I forgot to address it. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. DIA, don't know, more life. Politricks squad, stay circling. Bless.